So hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about a quick little, I'd probably say demonstration. That's the best way to describe it. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. It was just announced last week on Tuesday, made available on Friday, and today I have it looking as if it's an actual Motorola RAZR. This is actually a quick little mod, easy to try, and you can actually try this on all your devices. It doesn't necessarily have to be here, but it definitely looks and feels really cool having it on a phone that actually flips. This is TK, let's check it out. Like and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever we have new videos on the channel. So this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is the black one. There's three different colors. The gold one isn't available in the US, but for the most part in the US you can pick up the black one or the purple one. For me, what I've been trying to basically show you guys today is essentially it's called a mod, and for the most part it's an application that you're able to sideload to your device, and it will enable you to launch somewhat of a UI here that you're actually able to kind of use almost like using a phone. So you can actually clear, go back, and it does actually have some functionalities that works with your phone, kind of like hitting the end button, and I can actually end the application and it directly just takes it off, and then you can of course close your phone, everything goes back to normal, and if when you open it up again, it actually goes back into the normal UI. Let's go ahead and unlock, and it takes us to the standard UI. There's nothing special about it. It is an app that does need to be installed, and activating it will require to actually have it downloaded and actually loaded as one of your toggles at the top. So once you install the app, loading it or turning it on requires you to go in here. So very simple and very easy. The link that I'm going to share with you guys will be in the description below. This was based on an article that was posted over on XDA actually a couple of months ago, back in December. And essentially it shows us how to basically access download the Motorola RAZR Retro app, which is what we're showing, the live wallpapers, and then more. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the article, we'll give it a second here, load, and you'll be able to basically see the retro app, the stock wallpaper, basically the blue mod live wallpaper that's there, the stock static wallpapers, boot animation, and stock audio. So essentially a lot of the cool things inside of the Motorola RAZR that we really would like. Once you have that, install the application, and once you install it, go into your toggles. And on my Samsung device, obviously I just need to go in there, and there's basically a button, or basically add it in as a button. I added it right there, and it's sitting there, and I moved it to be right away accessible at the top. And once you click it, give it a second, it loads the actual dialer at the bottom of the screen, and of course the display at the top, very similar to the way the phone would normally boot up. And of course, then you can basically click the button, go to recent messaging. Not everything is working. An example, if I try to go down here, like to go into Bluetooth, it doesn't actually work. So let's go ahead and go back into Bluetooth. You'll notice it kind of crashes. Overall, I think it's a fun little thing to try out on your phone. Now, this doesn't necessarily just have to work on the Galaxy Z Flip. Here is my OnePlus 7T McLaren edition. And again, I downloaded the exact same thing, and it loads the exact same way. It's very simple, very easy. This one was already running in memory, that's why it kind of ran there, but you know, you can just still run it, and then when you're done, clear, hit end, and then when you're done, just press home or the power button, which is the way in the past, if you had a Motorola RAZR, that's how you shut it off. Very simple, very easy. I hope you guys like this. So as you saw, the process is very simple. Download the Retro app, install it, and again, you do need to add it as a toggle. It doesn't automatically come up with a launching option. So you can do that, and of course, use it. And whenever you're done, just press the power button the same way we used to use the actual old process of shutting down the Moto RAZR phone. That's how you shut down the application, and you're able to go back to your normal UI. For me, it's really cool because I get to bend the actual the Motorola Z Flip, the Samsung Z Flip here, and then of course use it like a regular phone, and you get that experience there. This is something that only the Z Flip can actually replicate, other than obviously the Motorola RAZR itself. This is definitely a really cool party trick, really nice way to actually trick people. You can definitely try it out on your regular phone. It doesn't have to be the Galaxy Z Flip. But what I like about it is that it's simple, it's easy, and again, it just feeds into that nostalgic feeling that we had with the Motorola RAZRs. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick, cool video to have fun with your phone today. I'll see you guys in the next video.